So here's how you can join the Teams on the iPad, right? Like the Teams app, right? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. So the first step is to open up the App Store and then download the official Microsoft Teams app, right? So you have to just look it up in here. Even if you already have the app installed, it would make sense to check out the App Store just in case there is an update available. If it was, you'll be able to find it right here. But you get inside of the app as the second step, and you have to sign in with your account. If you have used some Microsoft accounts in different services, like for example in the PowerPoint or anywhere else, it will likely ask you if you want to also use the very same account for this too. So you can confirm it, or you can click on use another account and you can set up a new one, or just sign in with an existing one. That is cool because you'll be able to have like your account within the app. But even if you don't want to do it, you still have the button to click on a join a meeting below. And this requires you to type in a meeting ID and the meeting passcode. So if anybody invited you to join their Teams meeting, they are supposed to share with you the meeting ID as well as the passcode, which is what you're going to type in here in those two fields. Click on join, and you'll basically just be able to connect with them over the video call. So that is how you can do it. Basically, you can just join the Teams by just, with one meeting without an account, or you can create a new account and also just work with the app, perhaps even create your own meetings, right? For that, you wouldn't need an account. So two ways or two methods how you can use it. Let me know what you think below. I would really appreciate your feedback if you managed to make it work or if you liked the video. Thanks a lot for your watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.